Alright, well, guys, here's another one of our trucks. Another Ford F-150. Well, we took it mudding. We kind of hooked it up to the front bumper, ripped the bumper off, brush guard off. God dang snow. Here's the truck. Well, he blew the tranny out. Clutch is gone. Lost clutch went out about a couple days after the tranny went out. Interior, work truck package, got 5-speed in it, aftermarket tack. This is one of the nicer vehicles we got here to our collection. It's pretty decent shape. Bought it for $1,100 for sale now. I don't know, probably $700 or trade for a car. His girlfriend can't drive a stick. She's a dumb bitch. Door buzzer still works. Pretty decent. And the driver's seat's broken still. Lazy ass never fixed it. Oh, there's the truck.